How to study migration maps. Are you curious about how to study migration maps and what they can reveal about birds? These maps are fascinating tools that can help you understand bird movements during their seasonal journeys. Let's break down how to effectively study these maps and use them for bird identification. First, it is important to identify the type of migration map you are looking at. Some maps show broad migration corridors, while others provide real-time migration intensity. Certain maps focus on seasonal range changes for specific bird species. Knowing the type of map helps you interpret the information accurately. Next, understand the data sources that contribute to these maps. Satellite tracking devices attached to birds offer precise location data over long distances. Geolocators record light levels to estimate bird positions when they are recaptured. Radar technology detects flocks during nocturnal migrations, revealing timing, altitude, and speed. Additionally, citizen science databases compile millions of bird observations to create dynamic maps. When reading the map features, pay attention to the colors used. Warmer colors often indicate higher migration intensity or density. Arrows or lines show the direction and routes birds take. Some maps include time elements to indicate when migrations occur, whether during the night or across different seasons. Geographic landmarks can help you relate the routes to known habitats or stopover sites. Using migration maps alongside range maps can also be beneficial. Range maps show where a species typically resides during breeding, non-breeding, or migration periods. By comparing these with migration maps, you can better predict when and where to observe specific species. Keep in mind that migration patterns can vary from year to year due to factors like weather, food availability, or environmental changes. Some species may alter their routes or timing, so relying on updated maps or real-time data is more effective than using static maps. Applying this knowledge to bird identification can greatly improve your skills. Knowing the timing and routes of migration helps birdwatchers anticipate which species may appear in a location and when. This can lead to more accurate identification during your birdwatching trips. In practice, studying migration maps involves observing the timing of migration peaks to plan your birdwatching outings. Noting directional arrows helps you understand flight paths. You can also use radar-based maps to track nocturnal migration activity. Consulting citizen science platforms allows you to see recent sightings and shifts in migration patterns. By starting with the basics of map features and gradually moving to detailed data interpretation, you can effectively study migration maps. This will not only enhance your understanding of bird movements, but also improve your bird identification skills. So grab your binoculars and get ready to observe the amazing journeys of our feathered friends.